Assalamualaikum. Uronyo ulun na di Jenewa, uronyo tanggal 10 November 2018. Jino ulun na di kantor PBB, di kalang kedua buat rame ta urang yang baje-baje diplomat mandum, dan memang duta mengeno memang salah satu syaraji lagi diplomat. Uronyo nedeka geno untuk jakalan sambilan meruno pakiban sistem PBB, dan di sino na sebuah forum yang ikut forum kaum minoritas yang salah satu ji lun dekalan buno na ASNLF atau ACHEH-SUMATRA National Liberation Front. Jadi untuk akan lun kirim video dan lun bite bakdono pakiban prosesi dalam gedung PBB nya sendiri, termasuk dalam acaranya. Ono kedile dari Jenewa salam ulun ke drone saudara yang na di Aceh menanci di Malaya ataupun tempat lain yang na nekalan videonya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
ACHEH is mine on it. Ah, okay. So they're trying to fight back. Great.
Yes. Or you see me outside of the room and that's the beginning.
Tomorrow after around right after we tried to take the floor today, but we've been waiting and waiting. Just very.
Yeah, sorry, it's only in Spanish and.
I come from United States.
Oh.
So I guess you go there or something. Maybe after there. In charge of minority issues dan letak perkara yang terbabas ya, tapi dia perkara Aceh. Jadi bawahnya badan dunia yang terpegang.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Abdullah Ruan. I'm here with my colleagues. We are representing ASNLF, which is stand for ACHEH-SUMATRA National Liberation Front. We're interested to discuss about statelessness, which is very, very relevant with our homeland in ACHEH-SUMATRA. And if you guys have any questions, please feel free to visit us. Thank you.
I thank you. So we go to the ACHEH-SUMATRA National Liberation Front.
This is ACHEH-SUMATRA National Liberation Front. Thank you, Madam Chairman. First of all, ACHEH-SUMATRA National Liberation Front would like to thank the forum for this opportunity. Speaking on yesterday, item 2, I would like to draw your attention to the situation of ethnic minority and statelessness in Indonesia. Being the former Dutch East Indies colony, Indonesia consists of dozens of different ethnic and linguistic minorities. And to understand and address the issue of statelessness, one must go back to the root causes of the conflict. Madam Chair, after World War II, the entire Dutch East Indies was brought under one single administration called Indonesia. Irrespective of how and from whom these huge territories has been confiscated. ACHEH-SUMATRA is such as an example. The territory of ACHEH-SUMATRA was an independent and internationally recognized country. And due to this historical discrepancies, Aceh has been hit by a prolonged conflict with Indonesia. Most of the time has been violence. The latest one is a 30-year armed conflict which ended in Helsinki peace deal in August 2005. 30 years have gone since the deal. Any attempt to implement it through human rights approach has also failed, despite several provisions provided for the establishment of Human Rights Court (HRC) and Trust and Reconciliation Commission (TRC). Gross violation of human rights during the conflicts has been totally silenced, and thereby not a single perpetrator have been brought into justice. With regard to this protection of human rights and resolving the past abuse